Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today I want to do a deep cleaning of my daughter's toilet. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope this video motivates you to deep clean your space. Okay, so this is the cleaning things I will use. In this particular one, I use it for the sink. Okay, and I'm going to also be using it to scrub the floor and the walls of the toilet as well. Yeah, this really helps to remove any tough stain you have in your toilet or at the back of the pot or any place you see a very tough stain. Use this particular cleaning agent and it's going to help you to clean it out very well. So I have to remove all her stuff from the toilet. Like this is her toilet seats, and I'm going to be using the Harpic. This particular one is triple agent. Okay, it helps to clean in the toilet. I'll be using this particular one to wash inside the toilet. So I hope this video motivates you to deep clean your space. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment, and enjoy the music and enjoy my cleaning motivation vlog. So
another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me you're misunderstanding. You say you think you might just abandon us. How I get through until you ask me what I want. Don't leave, no, please not now. If you need to breathe, we can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace in clarity. Take a day, take a week.
Today I don't feel like
you might run. Maybe we should sleep on it. Just wait till the morning comes. 'Cause yes, I really mean it. I'm half the man when you're not around. Maybe we can make it. Oh, to us. Don't leave, no, please not now. You need to breathe. We can figure this out. Don't pack the bags, don't leave the keys. Find your peace and clarity. Take a day, take a week. Baby, just stay with me. Baby, just stay with me.
Thought the praying would make it better, but I swear to God I'm just as lost as ever. Thought the bottle would hold me over. It still hurt me just as bad when I got sober. Everyone around me's found a way to let it go. but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. I stopped going out to bars, I quit smoking. Thought that giving that all up would keep me going. I got over people pleasing. I quit falling into love that had no meaning. I could search forever for a peace I'll never know, but I can't help but focus on the things I can't control. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time. There's a storm inside my dream. I'm still standing on 2 feet. Let the current carry me when the water gets too deep. All the darkness in my mind, pain that I can't leave behind. I know there's a silver line that I can't see. All the cold and sleepless nights, running out of ways to fight. I know there's a morning light in my reach if I keep buying time.
Convince myself to run around with someone else to forget about you, but I keep taking the same route and the better view. I lie to myself every night, paid it off if I only knew that you were playing, crying in your bed the same way I do. 'Cause I miss you. All is blue. I should've known how to keep you close, but I won't. And I miss you. Through the blue. I should've known that you were all gone, but I won't. I wear your shyness dark room, feel your skin and it's a hard truth. I can't stop cursing your damn name, 'cause I know you do. And I can't swear in every tear. There's a part of you I can't let go. I never moved on, I was waiting for you to come. 'Cause I miss you. Always blue. I should've known how to keep you close, but I won't. And I miss you. Through the blue. I should've known that you were all gone, but I won't. 'Cause I miss you. I miss you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way to you. Cause I miss you. Can't hate you. I'm hoping for you to feel the same way I do.
What are you doing?
Cause I
You fell down by
miss
yourself. It's not my fault.
to you. I didn't know how to keep it cold. And I miss you.
Don't hold anything. Keep it back. Put it inside the sink.
I didn't know that you were all gone. Oh no.
I just want you to know I found a reason for me. Used to be. Somebody does not want to go to Nene's house today.
But I drop it.
You drop it back. No, you cannot drop them back.
But I drop it back.
Me have go. Bagudom now. Nine, no stress me. They use small strength where I get to wash this toilet.
I'm sitting in a castle like that. Writing you a letter you'll never read. The cold is wrapping the falling leaves, and the sound of tears falling from the trees. As the ache of my soul begging to be free from the painful thoughts I need you here. I'm laying down, walking back.
29 to 40, Mona. I saw they teach you first. From 29, Gagaro 40, Ubula. Now. It's 31. Go and meet your papa. What do you think? What do you think I'm doing? Am I not washing the toilets? John, want to bath.
Just when I thought I could let these words die, under shining lights you suddenly appear. But I was only just a shadow. Who knows I felt free. Once upon a time, all else had now you're just a perfect illusion. Shaking breaking fire to reach you. You're an illusion, I'm feeling like something I need to die to. You're sitting next to the grave I've dug, for the love we never made, for the control I thought I had. My mind rests in peace with a pile of letters in my coffin. Make me believe that I've won, but I'll never win if you're
I am done cleaning Madame's toilet. Okay. Oh, it looks so clean. Everywhere is giving. Yep. Everywhere is clean. That one a candle, and the candle refuses to come out. Candle wax. So everywhere is clean. This is me. Let me take light.
Yeah, I don't know.
This is my face, so heat want to finish me. This is exercise for me. Yeah. Anyway, so neighbor has taken my light and I can't get access to water again because it's only when there is light I have access to water. So the water I have already stored in my drum. I'm going to use it to shower. I can't use it to wash toilets. I wanted to wash my own toilet, but since there's no light, I'll have to skip that one till tomorrow because I'm not where I get straight. So till tomorrow I will wash my own toilet. Yeah, so I don't know if it's going to end here or I will tag it along with you when I'm arranging my toilet. But if you watch this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share between comments. This video might end here. If it does not end here, then I'll take you guys along. So I'll see you guys either in the next video or in the next clip, maybe tomorrow when I'm deep cleaning my own toilet. Yeah.